Hello, today we'll be talking about netiquette. So this is one of the constraints of communicating with other ICT users. We've talked about the other four. We talked about security and password protection, copyright, the laws, and acceptable language. So today we will be discussing netiquette, which is the last constraint. So, hope you have a nice time. Now, netiquette is a short form of the phrase internet etiquette. It is gotten from these two words, internet and etiquette. So you can see this. It was coined from net here and then ticket over here. So it means the correct and acceptable way of using the internet. It's a code of conduct, a code of behavior on the internet. And so it covers several areas, like the way you respect other people's views and opinions. Then how you display courtesy in your online discussion groups like WhatsApp and every other one. Then how you send out mails, the words in your emails, okay? That is what netiquette actually covers. So we want to be looking at the rules of netiquette. The first rule I have here is be clear with your message. Whatever it is you want to pass out as a message, you need to make it very clear, simple, and understandable. Not you don't have to keep emphasizing or parabolating, just saying unnecessary things. Go straight to the point. The second one, don't be abusive. Your words should not be the kind of words that can demoralize the person, that can make someone, feel bad. You have to be careful with your words. Remember that these people you are communicating with, some of them cannot see you, especially if it's maybe through mail. They are not seeing you. It's your words, and it's the way your words hit them. That's how they react. Okay? So the third one, avoid the use of capital letters. It's equivalent to shouting. So when you want to type your words, please do not use capital letters. In fact, when you use capital letters, you are shouting. Okay? Then the fourth one, always check your spelling and grammar. Okay, when you have your words clearly written out, your spelling correctly written out, your grammar and everything in place, you make your English teacher look good. In fact, you make whoever is reading your content feel you have the best English teacher. So please, you have to always check your spelling and everything. And then you need to know that people will say bad things. They will do bad things. People will make mistakes. So you need to be ready to forgive. You don't have to always respond to, a nasty comment. You don't have to always respond to someone's mistake. You have to forgive them even in advance. Then the sixth one, you need to respect people's privacy. There are things you cannot disclose publicly. So when you are interacting with people in an online discussion forum, you have to know the kind of words or the kind of things you say. Some things should be kept confidential. The seventh one, avoid plagiarism and acknowledge quotes. When you use people's quotes, you need to acknowledge them. Do not steal people's ideas and present the ideas as if they are totally yours. Maybe someone said a thing, someone's quotes, you want to use it. You need to acknowledge that person who is the original creator or owner of that idea. So the eighth one, don't use too many emoticons. Some people find it offensive. Some people even spend time trying to interpret what you have sent to them. So do not use too many emoticons. Then the ninth one, don't send spam. Avoid repeatedly sending one particular message to a person. It becomes offensive. Do not send spam. Do not keep sending one message over and over and over. Now the 10th one, remember that posts are public in most cases and can be read by anyone. So just be mindful of your post. That's the conclusion of today's lesson. Thank you. Bye and have a great day.